For 99.9% of human history, people woke up effortlessly without the need for screaming alarms. They naturally synced their bodies to the rising sun. But modern technology has completely hijacked this process, turning waking up into a violent neurological event. If you constantly feel groggy, confused, or exhausted every morning, your alarm clock might literally be giving you a daily concussion. Here is the science behind why. Deep inside your brain lies a master biological clock known as the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or the SCN. This microscopic but powerful command center consists of about 20,000 specialized cells. For our ancient ancestors, this clock functioned flawlessly. It didn't rely on numbers on a glowing screen. Instead, it relied entirely on the natural environment to determine when the body should be alert and when it should rest. So how does this biological master clock actually know that it's morning? Deep inside your eyes, you possess specialized cells that contain a unique photopigment called melanopsin. The sole purpose of these cells is to measure the brightness of the sky. Even with your eyelids firmly closed while you sleep, they can detect the subtle, shifting light of dawn. Once they sense this light, they send an electrical signal directly into the SCN. This triggers a perfectly timed, life-giving chemical cascade. Your brain instantly stops producing melatonin, the hormone that makes you sleepy. It slowly raises your core body temperature, and it floods your bloodstream with a vital, activating surge of cortisol. This cortisol awakening response gently and naturally pulls you out of deep sleep 30 to 45 minutes before you even open your eyes. Because we constantly stare at artificial blue light late into the night from our phones, televisions, and laptops, our SCN gets completely confused. It believes the sun is still up, which delays our internal clocks by hours. As a result of this delay, when your morning alarm screams at you in the pitch black, your body is not primed to wake up. Often, it is still trapped in stage 3, slow wave sleep. During this deep, restorative phase of sleep, your brain waves are incredibly slow. Your blood pressure has dropped low, and your muscles are essentially paralyzed for recovery. When your alarm goes off in this state, it does not wake you up naturally. Instead, it completely shatters your sleep architecture. It causes a violent gear shift in your brain, forcing it to jump from low-frequency delta waves straight into high-frequency beta waves. This floods your system with panic-inducing adrenaline. Because your sleep cycle was abruptly truncated, uncleared neurochemicals, specifically adenosine, are left sitting in your brain's receptors. This causes a phenomenon known as sleep inertia. It is a profound, heavy grogginess that impairs your cognitive performance and reaction times for up to 2 hours, leaving you operating as if you have a mild concussion. Are you suffering from this morning concussion? Let me know in the comments below what time your alarm goes off every day and how you feel when you wake up. If you found this breakdown eye-opening, please hit that like button. Share this with a friend who was always tired, and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into human psychology. Until next time, take care of your brain and sleep well.